How to use Grammarly AI. So let's get started. First of all, launch the application Grammarly AI in your device. After that, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from this interface, navigate to the top section that says Draft and tap on Add New. Now in this space, you can type in something. Here I will type something. Here, the Grammarly AI will autocorrect your spelling and suggest you on this interface. Here I have typed in the spelling for awesome in wrong way and the Grammarly AI has given me this suggestion. Tap on it. Now if you tap on this Grammarly AI icon from your interface on the right hand side, there you will have the suggestion box. If you have entered any error in your text, you will get all the suggestions here. If you want to improve it, tap on improve it and then there you will get all type of suggestion to improve it. You can improve it, you can make it more engaging or make it more persuasive and then there are more options as well. So you can choose one from there and you will have the improved version of your text in this section. So that's how Grammarly AI will help you autocorrect your spelling and autocorrect your word. So that's the way to use Grammarly AI and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.